Good day, class. Today I'm going to cover the Week 3 Learning Assignment 5. And the topic is, and what we're learning for this particular learning activity, is the weighted average cost of capital. Well, the weighted average cost of capital, or WACC as it's referred to, is a calculation of a firm's cost of capital in which each category of capital is proportionally weighted. All sources of capital, including common stock, preferred stock, bonds, and any other long-term debt, are included in a weighted average cost of capital. A firm's weighted average cost of capital increases as the beta and rate of return on equity increases, as an increase in the weighted average cost of capital denotes a decrease in valuation and an increase in risk. Now, to perform this calculation, or to calculate the weighted average cost of capital, simply multiply the cost of each capital component by its proportional weight and take the sum of the results. Here we have the proportional weight. The long-term debt, which is most likely bonds, is 40%. The preferred stock consists 20%, and the common stock 40%. And if you add these three, you will have 100%. Okay, so that's 100% of your firm's cost structure. You have the interest rate, that the cost for each one of these financial instruments, okay, so for the long-term debt or bond is 3.25, preferred stock is 5.25, and common stock is 4.75. And to achieve or obtain the weighted average cost of capital, all you have to do is multiply. And remember, when you're working in Excel, before you insert a formula, you always have to put in or insert equal and then type in the formula. So here we have equal 40% times the asterisk, which is the time, tells the software to multiply, times 3.25. Okay, so that's 1.30. The same for your preferred stock. Okay, you multiply 20 times the 5.25. You have 1.05, and then finally you have 40 times 4.75. This is your proportional weights, and all you have to do now to get your weighted average cost of capital is add these figures together, and there is your weighted average cost of capital for your portfolio here that you have, your long-term debt, preferred stock, and common stock. So here you have your weighted average cost of capital. Now I've changed the numbers. You know, this is similar to what the assignment calls for, but I just wanted to change the numbers so you could see the simplicity of this calculation and the concepts that we're applying. Now, after reviewing this, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Now, here in the bottom, you could hear where it says breakdown is preferable and why. Here in this dialog box that you could create, you could explain to me, okay, you know, which one is preferable. And you'll do these same calculations that I did here, this first example for you. You'll do the same calculations for the remaining three, and then you will determine which one is preferable and why. Okay, again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I hope this has been very helpful. Have a great day and continue moving on with the course. You all are doing really well. Bye-bye.